In this guide, you'll discover how to buy and sell NFT tokens on the Rarible platform, along with key elements to pay attention to. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Rarible is one of the newer and evolving websites for NFT token trading, currently supporting several of the most popular networks for transactions. I'll walk you through preparing your account for purchases, executing transactions, navigating the platform, exploring its offerings, and being vigilant against potential threats targeting your assets. First and foremost, ensure you're on the official platform's website and check for the security certificate with the padlock icon in the address bar. If everything aligns, on the main page, you'll find trending collections from each network based on popularity or trading volumes segmented into time intervals you can customize. I will now connect my wallet to the platform. Currently, I'm using MetaMask, but besides it, you can choose any other wallet from the list. After clicking on Connect, we'll be prompted to select the appropriate profile. If you're using dedicated profiles based on the rules mentioned in the material about configuring MetaMask, choose the profile designated for NFTs. On the screen, permission requests will appear. Those visible on the screen, such as accessing the account state, address, activity, and suggesting transactions to sign, are entirely standard. I mention this to emphasize the importance of always paying attention to what appears here because, in haste, we might click too quickly. In the case of some unscrupulous services, this could result in clearing our account. In this instance, everything is fine, so I click Connect. The next step is accepting the platform's terms of service, done by signing them with our web wallet. Having read them beforehand, I now simply accept. This is one of the final stages where we provide our profile name visible to other users. If you prefer not to fill in this name, just check the box and proceed. At this point, we can fully utilize all platform features, starting with the most crucial aspect, buying and selling. Currently, I'm connected to the Polygon network for its cost-effective transaction fees, making it ideal for instructional purposes. I've chosen an NFT collection that caught my eye, serving as a demonstration for this recording. With a bit of funds in my account, sufficient for the token purchase and transaction fees which won't be substantial, considering NFTs cost a few cents and transaction fees are roughly the same, I proceed to select the NFT of interest. Clicking on it, I can review essential information such as the number of issued tokens, current owners, existing purchase offers, I currently don't observe any, and details like the last sale date. Over time, as you gain experience, these details will prove useful in assessing the potential for future profits. However, I can't definitively answer which tokens are worth buying. That decision is yours. If everything aligns with my expectations, I proceed to buy now. In the next step, we are asked to verify the transaction details. On the screen, you can review all the details for the purchase you want to make. Rarible wants to ensure that we know exactly what we're doing. One crucial element is the buyer's fee, which, in this case, is 7.5%. For inexpensive NFTs like the one we are currently buying, this fee won't matter much. However, when making transactions worth $1,000 or more, you need to consider this additional fee in your calculations. The platform offers a reduction in this fee for individuals who lock their Rarible tokens in staking on their platform. Moving on to the next part, confirming first on the platform and then signing the transaction with our MetaMask wallet. In the meantime, I switch the transaction fee from normal to low. It's a habit I developed while using the Ethereum network. Here on the Matic network, it's not significant because the fee differences are only a few cents. However, I mention it deliberately so you are aware of this option, which can be useful for everyday savings on gas fees. After a short waiting period, the transaction is confirmed and recorded on the blockchain. Now, I move to my account profile, where I can see the purchase token. At this moment, a notification about the completed transaction appears in the corner of the screen. Taking advantage of this, let me explain the risk associated with trading NFTs. One significant threat in the world of decentralized finance is a scam involving fraudulent airdrops of NFT tokens. Scammers trick people under the pretext of valuable free airdropped NFTs that need to be claimed to cash in and make a profit. You can see a tab called Hidden, where potentially unsafe tokens identified by the Rarible platform are displayed separately to avoid confusing them with regular NFTs. Very often, the description or name of such NFTs includes a website address to claim a reward. However, it's just a facade. As you can see on the screen now, there's no airdrop. In the majority of cases, it's a hidden scam attempting to entice users to connect their wallets to the thief's application and wipe their account balances. Be extremely cautious and never take action in situations where you're uncertain and lack security guarantees. It's much safer to do nothing in such a scenario. Simply ignore it and focus on your activities. If you do receive a legitimate airdrop, you'll know what it's for, and you can find information about it on popular cryptocurrency news portals where you can verify its honest intentions. In one sentence, it can be said that greed and haste are bad advisors and thieves count on you listening to them. Returning to our purchase token, I will now show you how to list it for sale. Open the tab of the previously purchased token and select Put on Sale. On the screen, a stage appears where you can configure all the aspects related to the type of your listing. There are two options available. The first is an auction, where the person offering the highest amount during the auction period wins. However, due to a recent update, this function is currently unavailable. The second option, which is available, is a fixed price, and that's the one I choose. We set the selling price, the duration for which our listing will be active, and the quantity of tokens we want to list if we have more than one. In the middle, there are essential details about the commissions. As you can see, Rarible platform charges a 7.5% commission from the seller. In the case of a transaction, we also pay a fee to the collection creator, which, in this instance, is an additional 2%. So, if we sell our NFT for 1 Matic, we will receive 0.9 after deducting the applicable fees. The creator's fee is a variable value. You might buy a token from a collection with a 2% commission, but when you want to sell it, the fee could be different. It all depends on the creator and how they configure the fees, as they can change them at any time. After adjusting all the settings, I click on Confirm Listing, where a transaction to sign appears. We've already granted access to the collection, meaning we can list any NFTs from this collection for sale without the need to cover fees for each individual listing. I confirm, and our NFT is now live for sale, visible on the list of available offers. At this point, all that's left is to wait for the lucky buyer who will acquire it. Additionally, we can accept buyers' offers at any time if one is submitted. In this section, you'll find a list of offers made by other users, ranked from the best to the worst. If there are offers on our token, we can accept them, finalizing the sales transaction upon confirmation. It's crucial to note that in such cases, a sales commission and a confirmation transaction fee will be deducted. On the Polygon network, these amounts are usually negligible, but, for example, on Ethereum, it could be an additional few or a dozen dollars. Therefore, before accepting, I suggest calculating whether it's indeed a good idea. The continuation of topics related to cryptocurrencies and NFTs will be covered in upcoming recordings. Rarible offers several interesting solutions, such as the ability to create your collections and marketplaces for them, which I'll explore in separate materials. Finally, if you're looking for a comprehensive training with all the information in one place, I encourage you to check out the Udemy course I've specially prepared for those seeking high-quality content. The link is below this video. If you like my material, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Good luck!